Hi guys, welcome to Karma Varma readings. This is Soumya Varma. So today I'll be doing charm readings, and this will be for Scorpio. Uh, it's just like a general thing. It may resonate, it may not. And I'll be doing this for tomorrow. I'll be doing three together. Today is just only for Scorpio. So let's see what the Scorpios are in store in charm. Wow. So Scorpio, I see love coming in. It's like Ace of Cups, and it's my love charm. And I see someone offering you their heart and telling you that they love you. Uh, Someone wants to have coffee with you. Might be getting asked on tea dates, coffee date, going out in monsoon on a hill station and drinking a cup of coffee or tea. There's again the romance. Charm of the Eiffel Tower, which again signifies love and a lot of romance in your life coming in, or already happening, started happening. Wow, we got the Scorpio charm, so it's really a confirmation for the Scorpios that maybe a Scorpio could be significant for you in your life, could be your lover, parent, friend, or an acquaintance, or a colleague, or someone you may know, like friends of friends. Wow, so this could be a soulmate connection, a twin flame, um, or your really close best friend who is who will be like the love of your life is what I'm seeing here. Yes, with this page energy, they will be offering the positivity which they have to offer to you, opening their heart to you and telling you that they love you. uh, Someone from India could be significant, uh, or it could be a long distance, someone who lives in India and abroad, probably. Uh, I see a culture difference as well for some. Very few people will resonate with this one. I got the heart charm again, guys. I think it's the third heart charm because we've got this, and this, and this is like a sign. So for some, this could be like a marriage contract coming in, and you guys are happy living. uh, this year marriage could be on the cards for some Scorpios. With the elephant, yes, you might be thinking about building a family with someone, or someone from the family could be significant uh, for doing an arranged marriage, is what I'm hearing. Or if you're looking for arranged marriage, people who are living in abroad, this could be an offer coming in from India to you. People who live in abroad, Scorpios who live in abroad. Five, a number could be significant. uh, Money could be significant. Yes, there's travel involved. 50 days for some, uh, 5 weeks, or for some 50 weeks, or 5 years could be significant. I'm not sure what the latter, but travel is definitely there, and for some it's uh, travel will be involved for some, or and for some it's someone who stays in your country and it's nearby to you. Whoever is coming in your life will bring you good luck, Scorpios. There will be abundance in this connection. There will be understanding. uh, I see two peas in a pod. You might want to make children for people who are married, or uh, yeah, who are married or who are going to get married. You guys are planning for your uh, future planning. what I'm seeing. America, yeah. Someone from America could be significant, or you live in America, so this could be a long distance thing for some, and it's arranged for some who live in America. Music could be significant. Someone who might be into music, writing, listening to songs, being in a band. You might connect each other through music. Maybe you guys share the same taste in music. Someone could be popular in music industry or something like that. Someone could be a singer or a musician. Yes. And there's this feeling that you guys are connected by God, but you need to be detached from each other. There is a connection, but you need to be growing independently if the love comes in your life, and not be too attached to a person, and be together, but be independently happy as well. There's this energy of yin yang coming in. There are two pages here, uh, and this is no, sorry, this is the wise card. So the Wazir, it says, right? It's a Wazir in Hindi. I'm not sure what it's called in the 18 horse. Guys, I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments, or I'll just put it in the comment if I find it out. It's called the Wazir. It stands up after the horse, in between the horse and the elephant. And it's telling me to use your intuition, be wise about this love situation, whoever is coming towards you. And I see majority of you living in America, and yeah, just use your intuition and be very traditional about this. Yes. And there's four of wands which came upright, which means you guys are gonna get married. Wedding bells are here this year, and this is like using. This is like things may not be visible right now, but they soon be visible to you. For some who cannot see a love coming in your life, and you are precious, you are important, you are unique, Scorpions. You need to treasure yourself, take care of yourself, and mold yourself, carve yourself, and be the best version of yourself to grow in life and be very uh, be, to be someone who you are proud of. You have to be your own lover, own best friend, because you come alone and you go alone in life, and you can't be rely on someone for emotional support, uh, or any in any way. You have to be your own backbone, uh, own supplier for things, and be very self sufficient and self content. So for some, I'm getting, you need to heal through music. Music connects with you, Scorpios, and you need to hear music, listen to songs, go out on a walk, because music will heal you. If you need healing right now, if you feel you need, like, if you feel low, you need to brighten up your day, listen to music, new artist. For some, write down some lyrics if you feel like. Learn a new instrument if you want, like a new music instrument, and just try to be happy by yourself, is what I'm getting here, Scorpios. Okay. And that's all I have for you, Scorpios. Take care. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, Karma Varma Readings. I'm Soumya Varma, your host. I hope you like my video. uh, I love to spread light and happiness around the world. So take care, guys. Have a great month of June, and may love be yours, and be your best lover. Take care, guys. Have a great day. See you.